Bananas, one of the most loved and widely consumed fruits across the globe. But did you know that these sweet, convenient snacks are packed with incredible health benefits? Potassium plays a critical role in protecting your cardiovascular system. Studies show that people who consume potassium-rich diets have a 27% lower risk of heart disease. Bananas are a rich source of essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and dietary fiber. A medium-sized banana contains 467 milligrams of potassium and just 1 milligram of sodium. This makes bananas a powerful ally in maintaining heart health and managing blood pressure. Bananas are also excellent for digestion. They contain two important types of fiber: pectin, which supports gut health and may reduce the risk of colon cancer, and resistant starch, found in unripe bananas, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria. These fibers not only promote healthy digestion, but also help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce appetite by slowing stomach emptying. Low in calories and high in fiber, bananas are an ideal food for weight management. A medium banana has about 105 calories and helps you feel full longer, making it a perfect snack to curb those midday cravings. Need an energy boost before a workout? Ripe bananas are the perfect choice. Their natural sugars are quickly absorbed, providing instant energy. And if you struggle with acid reflux or heartburn, bananas are a natural remedy. Their alkaline properties neutralize stomach acid, offering instant relief. The best time to eat a banana depends on your needs. Green bananas are great for keeping you full, while ripe bananas are easier to digest and provide a quick energy boost. From heart health and digestion to weight management and beyond, bananas truly are nature's superfood. So the next time you reach for a snack, make it a banana and enjoy all the benefits this remarkable fruit has to offer.